right? Today I am going to explain cube roots of unity. All of you know this one. Already we have seen this one in steel matrices. Cube roots of unity. Unity means 1. Cube root of unity 1 power 1 by 3. Let 1 power, the values of 1 power 1 by 3 equal to x by cubing on both sides. X cube equal to 1. X cube minus 1 equal to 0. In the form of a cube minus b cube, that's factors a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So from this x equal to 1, by using formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 3 means I into root 3, because root of minus 1 is I by 2. Thus cube roots of unity are 1 minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. In this lesson, omega minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 is denoted by omega. Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 is denoted by omega square. Okay? Thus, cube roots of unity are 1 omega square. By heart these two values, omega value minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, omega square minus case, omega plus case, minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Now standard results related to this one. So already first we used the value of omega cube equal to 1. So we prove omega cube means omega into omega square. Means product of these two values. So product of these two. Denominator 2 into 2 4. Numerator is the product of numerators in the form of a plus ib into a minus ib. Formula for that a square plus b square means 1 square plus 2 3 whole square means 4 by 4 1. Thus the value of omega cube is 1. And sum of 1 omega square value 0. 1 plus omega square is 0. Because clearly sum of these two is minus 1. Plus I root 3 minus I root 3 cancel. Minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 plus this one is always 0. So two important standard results. Omega cube value 1 plus omega square value 0. So now period of omega. See, omega power 1 is omega. Omega square is omega square. Omega cube equal to 1. From this omega power 4 value omega. Omega power 4 means omega cube into omega. Omega cube value 1, therefore omega. Omega power 5 can be expressed as omega cube into omega square. Therefore omega square. Omega power 6 means omega cube into omega cube means 1 into 1 1. And so on. So by observing the values, possible values of omega power n for any positive integral value of n is only 3. They are omega square 1, omega square 1, omega square 1 and so on. So number of possible values of omega power n is 3. That number 3 is period of omega. Thus period of omega is 3. Okay. Therefore, from this period we can find the value of omega power n for any integral value of n. See the working rule of finding omega power n. Period of omega is 3. So working rule, first we have to divide n with 3. n with 3. So possible remainders of Possible remainders of any number when divided by 3 are 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. When remainder is 0, omega power 0, 1 means omega cube 1. Remainder is 1, omega. Remainder is 2, omega square. So from this working rule we can find the value of omega power n for any integral value of n. And one more up. So this one means omega power 3k equal to 1. The power is a multiple of 3, thus value 1. Omega power 3k plus 1 equal to omega. If we divide, this one means remainder of this one when divided by 3 is 1. Similarly, omega power 3k plus 2 is omega square. And one more result. By observing these values, sum of the first 3 values is 0. See, sum of next 3 values is 0. Sum of next 3 values is 0. Sum of next 3 values is 0. And so on. So, from that standard result, omega power n plus omega power n plus 1 plus omega power n plus 2 is always equal to 0. The sum of the omega values with consecutive powers for any for any integral value of n, sum of these 3 values is always 0. So this is about cube roots of theory of cube roots of unity. In this we have to by heart to omega value. Remember omega square value by heart changing and properties omega cube value 1 plus omega square 0. Working rule of finding omega power n and this result. So just by using all these, we can solve any problem related to cube roots of unity. Okay. Now, problems. The value of omega power 2020. The value of omega power 2020. So, period of omega is 3. Divide the power 2020 with 3. The condition for divisible by 3. Sum of the numbers is sum of the digits of the given number is multiple of 3. That number is divisible by 3. So clearly sum of the digits is 4. If we divide 4 into 3, remainder is 1. So remainder 1 means that value is omega from the above concept. Okay. Next, the value of omega power 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 6 7 8 8 equal to. Okay. Same. Sum of the digits 1 plus 1 2 plus 4 plus 3 7 13 20 28 plus 8 36. 36 is clearly multiple of 3. Therefore remainder 0. Therefore answer 1. Next, the value of 1 minus omega square 1 minus omega power 4 1 minus omega power 5 1 minus omega power 7 1 minus omega power 8 omega square omega 4 5 Clearly, omega power 4 is omega. Omega power 5 is omega square. Omega power 7 is omega. Omega power 8 is omega square. So clearly, this is required is nothing but 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square whole cube. So clearly product of these two, 1 into 1, 1 minus of omega plus omega square value minus 1. Minus omega into minus omega square omega cube value 1. Therefore 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 cube value 27 answer. Next problem. The value of 225 plus 3 omega plus 8 omega square whole square plus 3 omega square plus 8 omega whole square. Just ordinary method. By simplify and by using two properties 1 plus omega square 0 and omega cube value 1. The other one minus of omega plus omega square 1 plus omega square value 0. From that 1 plus omega is minus omega square, omega plus omega square is minus 1, 1 plus omega square is minus omega. So minus of omega plus omega square is minus 1 from this result. So a plus b whole square formula. So 9 omega square. See here 9 omega square plus 9 omega power 4. Okay. 9 omega square, 9 omega power 4. Omega power 4 means omega. Now we have 9 omega plus 9 omega square. 9 omega square plus 9 omega. By taking 9 common, get omega square plus omega value minus 1. Similarly, 64 omega power 4. Omega power 4 value omega means 64 omega plus 64 omega square. By taking 64 common, get omega plus omega square value again minus 1. Next, 2 into 3 into 8, 2, 3, 6 into 8, 48. Omega cube value 1. Same, 2 into 3 omega square into 8 omega. Omega cube value 1 plus 48. Now by adding, get required. See, next, third one. The value of 4 plus 5 into minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2 whole power 334 plus 3 into minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2 whole power 365 equal to. Okay? Easy. So already I told by heart omega, the values of omega and omega square values. So this is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, that is the value of omega. So omega power 334 plus this is also omega. So omega power 365. So from the working rule of finding omega power n, divide 3. So means the sum of the digits 10. So remainder 1. So that's value omega. Same, sum of the values 9 plus 5, 14. Remainder 2. So that's value omega square. Okay. 4 plus 5 omega can be expressed as 2 omega plus 3 omega. Why I am writing like this? By taking 3, get omega plus omega square value minus 1. 4 minus 3, 1 plus 2 into omega value. Minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 cancel. 1 minus 1 cancel. Therefore, I root 3 final answer. Next problem. Fourth one. If x squared plus x plus 1 equal to 0, then the value of x plus 1 by x whole square plus x squared plus 1 by x squared whole square plus x cube plus 1 by x cube whole square plus and so on. X power 27 plus 1 by x power 27 whole square. Very important. So many problems can create similar to this one. So clearly roots of x squared plus x plus 1 equal to 0 are omega and omega square. In the already chesam kada x cube minus 1 equal to 0 factors x minus 1 into x squared plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Cube roots of unity 1 omega omega square. So those omega square are the roots of x squared plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So clearly roots of this one are omega square. So we can replace x with omega or omega square in this one. So put x equal to omega in this one required. Put x equal to omega. So omega plus 1 by omega whole square plus omega square plus 1 by omega square whole square plus omega cube plus 1 by omega cube whole square and so on up to 27 terms. Remember 1 by omega is omega square. Similarly 1 by omega square is omega. Beginning by heart 1 by I is minus I. Similarly 1 by minus I is I. Same again. By heart 1 by omega is omega square and 1 by omega square is omega. So here 1 by omega is omega square. Same 1 by omega square is omega. Omega into omega square. Omega cube value 1 kada. Omega cube value 1. Therefore 1 by omega is omega square. 1 by omega square is omega. Okay. Omega cube value right and so on. So omega plus omega square value minus 1. Minus 1 whole square 1. Same minus 1 whole square 1. Omega cube value 1. So 1 plus 1 2 whole square 4. Thus sum of first 3 values 6. Next రాయలే చూడండి అది మన ఇవే రిపీట్ అవుతుంది చూడండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం వస్తుంది? నెక్స్ట్ ఒమేగా పవర్ 4 అంటే ఒమేగా అండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఒమేగా పవర్ 5 మీన్స్ ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్. నెక్స్ట్ ఒమేగా పవర్ 6 is also 1. ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా? సో నెక్స్ట్ ఒమేగా పవర్ 7 is omega. Omega power 8 is omega square. Omega power 9 is also 1. So sum of first 3 terms is the same as sum of next 3 terms is the same as sum of next 3 terms and so on. How many terms is given in the sequence? There are total 27 terms. Okay, 27 terms means number of triplets is 9. 9 triplets. Okay. So sum of first 3 value 6, sum of next 3 value 6, sum of next 3 value 6 and so on. Therefore required value 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus and so on 9 times 3 3 3 right 9 times. So total 27 terms means 3 3 3. Ala enni batches untayi ante 9 batches untayi. Therefore answer 9 into 6 54. Next, the roots of x minus 1 whole cube plus 8 equal to 0. So clear. From this, x minus 1 whole cube equal to minus 8. Minus 8 can be expressed as minus 2 whole cube. Therefore, x minus 1 equal to minus 2. Implies x equal to minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Only one root. But this is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means number of roots is 3. But we have taken only one root, that is real root. Remaining two are imaginary roots. So, we get a cube number minus 8 can be. So, what about remaining two roots? See, minus 8 can be expressed in three ways. Minus 2 whole cube or minus 2 omega whole cube or minus 2 omega squared whole cube. Omega cube value 1. Again minus 2 whole cube. Same. Omega squared whole cube. Omega power 6 is also 1. Therefore, remaining 2. Minus 2 omega. Minus 2 omega squared. Therefore, x values. Minus 1. 1 minus 2 omega. 1 minus 2 omega squared. Therefore, values of x are minus. There are so many problems can create like this one. Suppose the roots of x cube plus 1 equal to 0. X cube equal to minus 1 whole cube. Remaining two roots. Minus omega whole cube. Next. Minus omega squared whole cube. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 minus omega squared and so on. Sixth one, if n is not a multiple of 3, then the value of sine of omega power n plus omega power 2n into pi minus pi by 4 is small and n is not a multiple of 3 means n is not equal to 3, not equal to 6, not equal to 9, not equal to 12 and so on. So we can take in the place of n any number other than multiple of 3. So put n equal to 1. Clearly 1 is not multiple of 3. Therefore the required becomes omega plus when n is 1 omega plus omega square minus 1 minus pi by 4. So minus sine of pi by 4. 5 pi by 4. 1, 3, 5. Trigonometric ratios of odd multiples of pi by 4. 1, 3, 5. Third quadrant sine value negative. Therefore, plus value minus 1 by root 2. So answer plus 1 by root 2. Next. Seventh one. If z plus 1 by z equal to minus 1, then the value of z power 50 plus 1 by z power 50 equal. So clearly by simplifying the given one, get z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0. Clearly roots of this one are omega or omega square. I am taking omega. Therefore required is nothing but omega power 50 plus 1 by omega power 50. From the working rule of finding omega power n, divide 50, remainder is 2. Therefore omega square plus 1 by omega square. 1 by omega square value omega. Finally omega square plus omega is minus 1. Next, eighth one. The value of cos of 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square See, first we have to find this value. Total number of terms 10 cos of. So the sum of these 10 terms can be written as sigma r minus omega into r minus omega square, where r equal to 1 to 10 into angle pi by 9 equal to cos of sigma product of these two, r into r square minus r omega square minus r omega, by taking minus r get omega plus omega square value minus 1, minus of minus plus minus omega into minus omega square plus omega cube value 1, okay, into pi by 9, r equal to 1 to 10. Now complete sigma r square formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, where n equal to 10, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sigma r formula n into n plus 1 by 2, 10 into 11 by 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on 10 times means 10 into pi by 9. So by simplifying get required. Next problem, right one. The value of minimum value. The minimum value of modulus of a plus b omega plus c omega square, or a plus b omega square plus c omega. Minimum value of this one. First, I am finding the value of a plus b omega plus c omega square. Square of the required. First, I am finding square of the required. From the formula, mod z square equal to z into z bar. So, from that formula, this is equal to a plus b omega plus c omega into a plus b omega plus c omega squares conjugate. Okay. A is real number. Conjugate of A is B. Conjugate of B is omega square. Conjugate of omega is omega square. Conjugate of omega square is omega. See, omega square values. Conjugate of a plus ib is a minus ib. That of a minus ib is a plus ib. Omega square values minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Okay, this is omega square. So clearly, conjugate of this one is that one, conjugate of that one is this one. So remember, conjugate of omega is omega square. Conjugate of omega square is omega. 1 by omega is omega square. 1 by omega square is omega. 1 by I value minus I. 1 by minus I value I. Conjugate of I is minus I. Conjugate of minus I is plus I. Regularly use చేస్తాం. Okay. Therefore, conjugate of any real number is itself. B is a real number. No change. Conjugate of omega is omega square. Conjugate of omega square is omega. Okay. Now ordinary multiplication. A into A square. See carefully. AB omega square plus AB omega. See one more time. AB omega square plus AB omega. By taking AB common, get omega plus omega square value minus 1. First. A into A square. Next. B omega into B omega square. B square omega cube value 1. C square omega, C omega. C cube C omega square into C omega is C square into omega cube value 1, therefore C square. Now see AB omega plus AB omega square. By taking AB, get omega plus omega square value minus 1. Next, same. BC omega square plus BC omega power 4 value is omega. Again by taking BC common, get omega plus omega square value minus 1. Similarly, minus this. Thus clearly product of these two by using 1 plus omega square value 0 and omega cube value 1, that is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Again this can be expressed as 1 by 2 into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. Clear? Check, simplify. Clearly by simplifying these two are equal. Now by trial and error, for a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3, this one has a minimum value. Of course numbers మార్చేమో కానీ ఆ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇప్పుడు abc ప్లేస్ మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన ప్లేస్ ట్రయల్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్ నంబర్స్ తీసుకోండి. ఓకేనా? 1 2 3 కి ఏ వాల్యూ వస్తుందో ఇక ఏ నంబర్స్ తీసుకున్నా అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ అంతకంటే తక్కువ అయితే రాదు కంపల్సరీగా. Okay, therefore this one has minimum value when a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3. Of course a equal to 0, b equal to 1, c equal to 2 కూడా సేమ్ అదే వస్తుంది. బట్ ఆ వాల్యూ అయితే చేంజ్ అవ్వదు, అంతకంటే మినిమం తక్కువ అయితే రాదు. సో by substitute these three values, 1 minus 2, 1, 2 minus 3, 1, 1 minus 3, 4. Therefore 6 by 2 is 3. So square of required value is 3. Therefore required value is root 3. Okay. So ఇది trial and error. నేను చెప్పేది ఈ నంబర్స్ ఫిక్స్డ్ కాదు చెప్పేది. వేరే మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన నంబర్స్ తీసుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు 0 1 2 అని చెప్పాను కదా, 3 4 5 అని తీసుకుని చెప్పాను కదా, 3 4 5 తీసుకున్నట్లయితే సేమ్ అదే వస్తుంది. ఓకే, బట్ ఫర్ ఎనీ ట్రిప్లెట్స్ ఆఫ్ ABC value of this one is greater than or equal to 3. So that means minimum value is always 3. Next, 10th one, if Zn equal to 1 plus I root 3 whole power n, then root 3 into imaginary part of Z3 into Z4 bar equal to lambda. Then step off lambda by 100 equal to. So in advanced integer type problem, Zn is defined as 1 plus I root 3 whole power n. Now required is root 3 times of imaginary part of Z3 into Z4 bar. First we have to minimize the given Zn 1 I root 3. The value of omega square is minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Okay, therefore, but here 1 plus I root 3. From this 1 plus I root 3 is minus 2 omega square. Minus 2 omega square whole power n. Now Z3, put n equal to 3 on both sides. Minus 2 omega square whole cube equal to minus 2 whole cube is minus 8, omega power 6 value 1. Next, Z4. Z4 equal to, put n equal to 4 on both sides. Minus 2 omega square whole power 4. So minus 2 whole power 4 is 16. Omega power 8 means omega square. Omega power 8 omega square. Now conjugate of Z4. Conjugate of 16 is itself. Conjugate of omega square is omega. Therefore, required is root 3 into imaginary part of Z3. Z3 value minus 80. Z4 bar value 16 omega equal to root 3 into imaginary part of minus 8 into 16 into omega value. Omega value minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Okay. Now this required lambda equal to root 3 into imaginary part of this one. Imaginary part of this one is minus 8 into 16 into, in this one imaginary part is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. This is lambda. Therefore, 2 ones 2, 8. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Therefore, minus 64 into 3. I think 192. Now required. Step up minus 192 by 100 equal to step up minus 1.90. That is equal to minus 2. Next problem, if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 7 equal to 0, then the value of alpha minus 1 by beta minus 1 plus beta minus 1 by gamma minus 1 plus gamma minus 1 by alpha minus 1 equal. So, important standard R books lo unthundi. First we have to find the roots alpha, beta, gamma. Clearly given equation contain a cube term minus 3a square into b plus 3 a square in a into b square. They are the terms of a minus b whole cube. See, given equation can be expressed as x cube minus 3 1 into x square plus 3 1 square into x. So a cube minus minus 3a square b plus 3 a b square. So here we need minus 8. So plus 8. Already there is 7 equal to 0. No. Here we need minus 1. Therefore plus 1. Already there is plus 7. 1 means 1 cube. So a cube, see formula. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this can be expressed as x minus 1 whole cube. Okay, now a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Right. So 7 plus 1 8. Send that one to other side minus 8. So already we have seen this model. So this is therefore x x minus 1. So minus 8 can be expressed as minus 2 whole cube, or remaining two roots, minus 2 omega whole cube, or minus 2 omega square whole cube. Therefore, the values of x minus 1 are minus 2 omega minus 2 omega square. Therefore, x equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 omega 1 minus 2 omega square. So they are alpha, beta and gamma. Okay. Now equate. By substitute these three values in the equate, alpha minus 1. Alpha minus 1 means minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 by beta minus 1. 1 minus 2 omega minus 1 means minus 2 omega plus same beta minus 1 gamma minus 1 plus gamma minus 1 alpha minus 1. So its value minus 2 cancel. 1 by omega is omega square. 1 by omega. This is also 1 by omega means omega square. Okay. This is omega square. Therefore, the value is 3 omega square, which is answer. So see, get the terms of a minus b whole cube, the terms of a plus b whole cube, that is indirect hint in the problem. So by using a minus b whole cube formula or a plus b whole cube formula, and by adding and subtracting required, we can solve the problem. Right? This is about cube roots of unity was completed. Next, forget one thing. Geometrically, cube roots of unity. Geometrically, cube roots of unity are vertices of an equilateral triangle. One means 1, 0. Omega value minus 1 plus sine root 3 by 2 means that point is minus 1 by 2 comma root 3 by 2. Similarly, omega square minus 1 minus sine root 3 by 2 means that point is minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. So by check distance between the 2 points, distance between the 2 points, distance between the 2 points are same. This distance root of 1 minus of 3 by 2 means 9 by 4 plus this is also 9 by 4. Okay, the distance kankuna same ade vastundi 2 into 9 by 4, therefore 3 by 2 into root 2, 3 by 2 into root 2, that is 3 by this distance minus 1 by 2 say root 3 or 1 minus of 3 by 4, this is so 12 by 4 and root 3. So this distance is root 3, this distance is also root 3, this distance is also root 3, therefore equal to triangle. So cube roots of unity are vertices of equilateral triangle, and also they lie on the circle. They lie on the circle with the center, origin, and radius 1 unit. Check this one. Distance between origin and 1 comma 0. Distance from origin and that point. Distance from origin and that point 1 was exists. So geometrical meaning of cube roots of unity. So the theory bits they are there. So problems related to this one and the theory bits. What about geometrically omega? Cube roots of unity means they are vertices of the equatorial triangle and also lie on the circle with the center origin and radius 1 unit. Okay. Now see nth roots of unity. Nth roots of first complex number. We are working. Nth roots of complex number. Yesterday in class, I had explained square root of the complex number means complex number power 1 by 2. So nth roots of complex number. Complex number whole power a plus ib whole power 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 9 and so on. So nth roots of the complex number. See the formula. I am deriving the formula. Complex number suppose a plus ib. Nth roots of complex number means a plus ib whole power 1 by n. See the working rule, IP working rule. IP working rule for finding nth roots of the complex number. First to write the polar form of the complex number a plus ib. That is r into cos theta plus sin theta. All of you know this one. First to write the polar form of the complex number. Formula for r root of a square plus b square. Formula for theta tan inverse of b by a. Okay. This is equal to r power 1 by n. Cos theta can be replaced with cos of 2k pi plus theta. Similarly, sin theta can be replaced with sin of 2k pi plus theta. Whole power 1 by n. From De Moivre's theorem. What is De Moivre's theorem? Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So from this formula, n ni theta pakkana raసుకోవచ్చు కదా. Therefore from that this is equal to cos 2k pi plus theta into 1 by n means by n plus I into sin of 2k pi plus theta by n. What about k? K equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n minus 1. Including 0 up to n minus 1 means number of values is n. Nth root kada. Nth root and nth root of number of values of nth root of any complex number is n. Then square root kanukunnam 2 వచ్చింది. ఇంతకుముందు క్యూబ్ రూట్ కనుక్కున్నాం 3 వచ్చింది. అలాగే number of fourth roots of any complex number is 4. Number of fifth roots of complex number is 5, etc. Therefore, number of nth roots of complex number is n. They are for k equal to 0, 1 value. For k equal to 1, ఇంకోటి వస్తుంది. For k equal to 2, ఇంకోటి వస్తుంది. K equal to 3 and so on. K equal to n minus 1 including 0 up to n minus 1 means number of values is n. Mari what about next to n, n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3? So ఇక్కడ ఇది అర్థమైందండి 2k pi plus theta. 2k pi plus theta అంటే ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్. In first quadrant all values are positive. K is for any integral value of n, these two are equal. For any integral value of k, these two are equal. But why we are taking right from 0 to n minus 1? What about remaining n, n plus 1, n plus 2 and so on అంటే అవే రిపీట్ అవుతాయి చెక్ చేసుకొని కావాలంటే. సో when k for k equal to 1 k వాల్యూ వస్తుందో k equal to 0 కదే వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. Put k equal to 0 in this one cos theta by n. ఓకేనా? k equal to 0 తీసుకుందాం. cos theta by n. Remember when k equal to 0. ఇప్పుడు k equal to n కూడా సేమ్ అదే వస్తుంది చూడండి. Put k equal to n cos of 2n by plus theta by by n. Cos of divide n cancel 2 pi plus theta by n. What is cos of 2 pi plus theta? Cos theta. Therefore cos of theta by n. అర్థమవుతుందా? సో k equal to n plus 1 కి ఏమొస్తుందో మనకు 1 కదే వస్తుంది. n plus 2 కి ఏమొస్తుందో 2 కదే వస్తుంది. n plus 3 కి ఏమొస్తుందో 3 కదే వస్తుంది. అండ్ సో సో అది మనం రిపీట్ అవుతా ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? అగైన్ Taylor's theorem. Cos theta plus I sin theta is denoted by sis theta. Okay na? Cos theta plus I sin theta is denoted by sis theta. Therefore, this one is denoted by sis of 2k pi plus theta by n, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on and minus 1 as usual. So this is formula. Now this IP question. IP లో రాసేస్తాం క్లియర్ గా స్టెప్స్ ఎలా చేసుకుంటారు మనం. ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ లో బై హార్ట్ చేయాలి. సో బై హార్ట్ nth roots of the complex number. Z is a complex number. Then formula for nth roots of the complex number. Formula r power 1 by n into r power 1 by n into sis of 2k pi plus theta by n. Now I have this. Now here, what is the formula for r? What is the formula for theta? So this is another thing. R is modulus of z. Means r if z is a plus id, r is root of a square plus b square. And theta is argument of the complex number. Theta is argument of the complex number. In first quadrant theta, in second quadrant pi minus theta, in third quadrant minus of that one, in fourth quadrant minus theta. Now formula for theta is tan inverse of modulus of imaginary part by real part. So by heart this one. By using this one, you can find nth roots of any complex number, square root, cube root, fourth root, fifth root, sixth root, and so on. Okay. And geometrical meaning of nth roots of the complex number. They are vertices of a regular polygon of n sides. Indaga 1 omega square are cube roots of vertices of an inverted triangle and lie on the circle with the center, origin and radius 1 kada. Same alage for k equal to here k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n minus 1. So z1, z0, z1, z2, z3 are nth roots of the complex number. They are vertices of regular polygon of n sides inscribed in the circle with the center, origin and radius r power 1 by n. The distance ఉంది కదా, ఈ distance ఏమవుతుందంటే r power 1 by n. మీరు చూసుకోండి మామూలుగా distance from origin to z అంటే ఏంటి? mod z కదా. Modulus of this one ఏమవుతుంది చూడండి, r power 1 by n into modulus of cos theta plus I sin theta is root of cos square plus sin square is always 1 kada. And then modulus of this one is r power 1 by n for any value of z0, z1, z2, z3 and so on. Clearly, for any value of k, this distance r power 1 by n, 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 etc. So remember, theoretical problems. What about nth roots? Geometrically, what about nth roots of complex number? They are vertices of regular polygon of n sides. First thing. Second thing, these all n roots of any complex number lies on the circle whose center, origin and radius are power 1 by n. Remember these two.